Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Panahon na ng pagbabago, dahil sa ito ay kinakailangan. Tayo na magtulong-tulong na maunlarin ang mahal nating bayan.
We may now be seated. Good afternoon. We are gathered here today for the launching of the TESDA Skills Passport mobile application. To formally begin our program, may we call on San Juan City Mayor Francisco Javier M. Zamora to deliver his opening remarks.
To our dearest President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., whose strong leadership continues to drive the country's push for digitalization, workforce development, and inclusive growth. To all our partners from the Technical Education and Skills Development Authority, our colleagues in government, industry partners, educators, learners, and distinguished guests. Welcome to the Makabagong San Juan Theater, here at the Makabagong San Juan National Government Center, the home of the eGov PH Servicio Hub, the first one-stop shop of national government services in our country through the kindness and full support, of course, of President Marcos. This facility reflects our shared belief that government should be accessible, efficient, and people-centered. Through the eGov PH app and the Servicio Hub, we are able to bring multiple national and local government services together in one place, reducing red tape, saving time, and making transactions easier for our citizens, for workers, students, and families. This kind of digital integration is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. Today's event aligns perfectly with that vision. TESDA has long been a vital partner in nation building, equipping Filipinos with practical skills, preparing them for employment, and helping them adapt to a rapidly changing economy. The launch of digital platforms like the TESDA Best Skills Passport represents an important step in modernizing how skills development, certification, and employment pathways are supported in the digital age. By embracing technology, TESDA ensures that opportunities in technical vocational education remain within reach for more Filipinos, especially the youth, workers seeking better livelihood, and those who want to continuously upskill and reskill. As National President of the League of Cities of the Philippines, as President of the Metro Manila Council, and as Mayor of the City of San Juan, I truly believe that when national agencies and local governments work together, innovation reaches the ground faster, services become more responsive, and the quality of life of our people is further uplifted. We are honored that San Juan City was chosen as the venue for this important activity, and we look forward to continued collaboration with TESDA in empowering our workforce and strengthening our communities. Once again, welcome to the Makabagong San Juan National Government Center here in San Juan City. And we hope that you will have a meaningful and productive activity this afternoon. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.
Thank you, Mayor Zamora. To give us an overview of the project, may we call on Secretary Jose Francisco B. Benitez.
Matangkad po si Mayor Zamora. To His Excellency President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., to our Labor Secretary, Secretary Benvenido Laguesma, to San Juan Mayor Francisco Javier Zamora, to the TESDA officials and personnel, to the partners in government, the Secretary Angara, Chair Shirley, Sec Hans, our esteemed guests and partners, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Nung World Skills ASEAN Manila, o yung tinatawag nating Olympics of Skills, ang sabi po ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr., skills are more valuable than oil, more enduring than gold, and more transformative than any technology. Kaya sa TESDA, porsigido kami na ipaalam sa mga Pinoy that TechVoc is the future and also the present. Pero alam nating hindi siya madaling gawin. But slowly and surely, people are realizing that skills indeed are the most valuable currency of the times. And we are glad to have the President himself as our champion and ambassador. In today's globalized, digital, and rapidly changing world, skills are the engine of opportunity. They create jobs, build industries, and change lives. They are what make talent tangible and potential real. But let's be honest. What happens when your skills are hard to verify, when training programs are scattered and hard to access, when you have skills but opportunities to use them are limited? Dito nagsisimula mawalan ng halaga ang kasanayan. Hindi dahil kulang ang galing ng mga Pilipino, kundi dahil kulang ang sistema na nag-uugnay sa training, certification, at trabaho. The TESDA Skills Passport is about to close that gap. The TESDA's flagship digital innovation program, the Skills Passport, is designed to revolutionize the way we issue national certificates, disseminate information to our learners and partners, provide access to training and scholarships, and seamlessly connect our graduates to employers, all in one single mobile application. Sa tulong ng ating TESDA Skills Passport, skills are now visible, verifiable, and valuable. At ngayon, in the age of the Fourth Industrial Revolution, AI is transforming how we learn, work, and live. Tayo sa TESDA, we always choose to adapt because those who adapt are the ones who succeed. Kaya in developing the TESDA Skills Passport, we have also used an integrated AI. After all, AI is a useful tool only if we use it responsibly. Sa tulong ng AI, mas napabilis at napaganda natin ang development ng mobile app to make it more user-friendly. We are also able to integrate an AI-powered chatbot to answer your questions 24/7 para hindi nyo na kailangang mag-message or mag-comment po sa Facebook page ng TESDA kung saan kayo pwedeng pumunta. We are also working to integrate TESDA Skills Passport into the bigger digital ecosystem of the Philippine government, alinsunod din po sa direktibo ng ating mahal na Pangulo. So far, it has already been linked with the eGov.ph app, allowing government agencies to see your verified skills and training records online. Bahagi ito ng digital transformation agenda ng PBBM administration na maging modern, seamless, at convenient ang mga government services to bring the government closer to every Filipino as easy as one click. But more than a super app, the TESDA Skills Passport is also about ensuring that training leads to proper trabaho. After all, behind every profile are Filipinos with different stories, kagaya ng isang construction worker na breadwinner, isang senior high school graduate na hindi kayang magpatuloy sa kolehiyo, at isang bartender na 10 taon na kumakayod sa abroad. But they all share one dream, ang magkaroon ng disenteng trabaho, maginhawang buhay at umangat ang kanilang buhay at ang kanilang mga pamilya. As we celebrate today's milestone, we recognize that none of this would not have been possible without strong leadership and collaboration. So we thank His Excellency, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., for his continued support in strengthening human capital development. Sir, your presence today affirms that investing in the skills of the Filipino is investing in the nation's future. We also extend our utmost gratitude to the World Bank and to Amazon for being our partners not just in the development of the app, but in forwarding our vision that skills development must be inclusive, accessible, and future-ready. On behalf of TESDA, maraming salamat po. Today's launch is a testament that every skill counts, that every Filipino learner matters, and that when we make skills visible, we make opportunities possible. Pero ito ay simula pa lang. In the coming months, we will continue enhancing the app with more features and fixing those that may not be working. Sa bagong Pilipinas vision, front and center ang TESDA because the strength and the success of our nation lies in our human capital. Kaya malinaw sa TESDA na ang bawat skills at training development ay dapat may konkretong landas patungo sa totoong at disenteng trabaho. At sa suporta at gabay ng ating mahal na Pangulo, President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr., kasama ang ating mga partners, sisiguraduhin po natin na gawing realidad ang pangarap ng bawat Pilipino na magkaroon ng disenteng trabaho at maginhawang buhay. Dahil kung sama-sama sa TESDA, kayang-kaya. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Secretary Benitez. And now, kindly direct your attention on screen for a short audiovisual presentation on the TESDA Skills Passport mobile application.
Prof. K. Hello, kamusta?
Mag-a-apply sana ako ng bartender dito sa Hong Kong. Kaso naiwan ko lahat ng certificate ko sa Pinas.
Walang problema. Sa TESDA Skills Passport, makikita mo ang lahat ng TESDA National Certificates at completed TESDA trainings mo. Matatrack mo na rin lahat ng mga active, expired at completed certifications mo.
Eh baka may bayad.
TESDA offers scholarships and free trainings. At dahil may TESDA Skills Passport ka na, mati-check mo real-time ang mga scholarship at training na swak sa location at qualification mo.
Paano ba mag-apply ng scholarship dyan?
Pwedeng mag-apply digitally gamit ang mga forms sa app mismo at pwede mong matrack ang status ng iyong application gamit ang TESDA Skills app.
Okay pala yan eh. Pwede na ako hindi lumabas ng bahay.
Ang hirap maghanap ng work. Ilang buwan na ako nag-a-apply, wala pa rin.
Bakit ka kasi naghahanap ng trabaho sa kalye? As a TESDA graduate, mas pinadali for you ang paghahanap ng trabaho dahil pwede kang mag-generate ng QR code-enabled digital resume.
QR code-enabled digital resume?
Pwede mong i-share ang digital resume mo sa mga potential employers at clients sa pamamagitan ng Find Jobs at Find the TESDA features. Check mo sa app.
Hoy, sino kausap mo dyan?
Si Prof. K.
Prof. K? Si Prof. K? Gusto ko sanang magpalit ng work pero kailangan ko muna mag-upskill. Imposible naman, nandito ako sa Hong Kong, di ba? Oo.
Hindi imposible. Pwede ka nang mag-aral online gamit ang TESDA Skills Passport. Makakapag-upskill ka kahit nasaan ka pa.
Totoo ba?
Totoo.
So you mean pwedeng maghanap ng trabaho, freelance project sa TESDA Skills Passport?
Correct. Sa Find Jobs feature, may listahan ng mga job vacancies na pwedeng i-filter by skills, location, at sweldo. Sa Find the TESDA feature naman, pwedeng mag-offer ng services ang mga TESDA graduates gaya ninyo.
Kaya ba talaga lahat ng yan?
Ang learning, certification management, job matching at location-based support for scholarships and employment ay pinagsama-sama sa all-in-one mobile app, ang TESDA Skills Passport. Kaya sa TESDA, kayang-kaya!
At this point, we shall now proceed with the official launching of the TESDA Skills Passport mobile application. May we invite the President on stage to kindly lead the ceremonial launch. May we also request Secretary Benitez to kindly assist the President. Ready, Mr. President? At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Skills Passport, online training, scholarship, maps, trabaho, sa TESDA. Kayang-kaya!
Kaya! There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The TESDA Skills Passport mobile application is now officially launched. Thank you, Mr. President. At this point, may we call on Secretary Benitez to introduce our guest of honor and keynote speaker.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Thank you to our TESDA Skills Development Authority Secretary, Secretary Kiko Benitez, please take your seats. The DepEd Secretary, Sani Angara, and the other members of the Cabinet, our Chairperson, Chairperson Shirley Agrupis, and San Juan Lone District Representative Isabel Maria Zamora, and the honorable members of the House of Representatives, San Juan City Mayor Francis Javier Zamora, our TESDA educator. I brought my own podium para hindi ako nahirapan Our TESDA educators and learners, my fellow workers in government, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Ngayon ay inilulunsad natin ang isa na namang reforma upang mas mapadali ang serbisyo para sa ating mga kababayan. Ito ngayon ang TESDA Skills Passport mobile application. Isang hakbang ng pamahalaan upang mas mapalapit ang kasanayan at oportunidad sa bawat Pilipino. Sa panahon ngayon, hindi na talaga mahihiwalay ang teknolohiya sa ating mga buhay. Halos lahat konektado sa internet. Halos lahat may access at gamit ang cellphone. Pag-aaral, pakikipag-usap, pati trabaho, digital na rin. Kaya gagamitin natin ang teknolohiya at ang pagkakataong ito upang makasabay sa takbo ng panahon at mapalawak ang oportunidad para sa ating mga kababayan. Likas namang masipag at mabilidad ang manggagawang Pilipino. Ang kailangan lamang ay mas maraming oportunidad upang magamit ang kanilang galing at pagsisikap. Ang edukasyon at pagsasanay ang puhunan natin para sa isang maunlad na kinabukasan. Kaya, todo buhos ang aking administrasyon ng pondo at suporta para sa edukasyon. Lagpas sa 1 trilyong piso ang inilaan natin para sa edukasyon ngayong taon. Patuloy rin natin pinagtitibay ang suporta sa kasanayan at sa pagsasanay. Sa taong 2026, halos 20 bilyong piso ang inilaan ng pondo para sa TESDA. Ito ang pinakamalaking budget na kanilang natanggap upang mapalawak naman natin ang mga programa sa scholarship at saka mga skills training. Ngunit, bukod pa sa pagpaparami ng mga training at scholarship, lalo pa natin pinapadali at pinapalapit ang mga oportunidad sa ating mga kababayan. Sa pamamagitan ng TESDA Skills Passport mobile application, may all-in-one na digital platform na tayo. Dito makikita ninyo ang mga mahalagang impormasyon tungkol sa TESDA trainees, scholarship, employment opportunities, TESDA accredited training institution, at TESDA online training courses. Meron din itong function na tumutulong sa mga gumagamit na planuhin ang kanilang mga pagsasanay. Para sa ating TESDA Scholar, mayroon kayong sariling digital storage kung saan mapapatunayan ang inyong national certificate at mga training. Tinanong ko nga kay Sec Kiko kung kung ako employer, paano ako nakakasiguro na yung mga pinapakita na sinabing dinaan ng training ay totoo. Ay yun lahat ng mga impormasyon dito, ginamit na natin ang blockchain para maliwanag na maganda at totoo lahat ng impormasyon na inyong binibigay. Mas mapapadali rin ang pag-aaral online, pati ang pag-a-apply sa mga scholarship sa pamamagitan lamang ng iisang aplikasyon. Bukod dito, mayroon ding online AI assistant na handang tumugon sa inyong mga katanungan anumang oras. At bilang TESDA certified, magkakaroon kayo ng access sa mga serbisyong mag-uugnay sa inyo sa mga oportunidad sa trabaho. Maaari rin itong ituring bilang isang job portal site. Ikukonekta rin ito ang mga estudyante, graduate, manggagawa, at ang industry representative mula sa lahat ng rehiyon ng bansa. Ang TESDA Skills Passport mobile app ay isang maaasahan na magagamit natin sa digital space. Maliban sa pagtiyak ng integridad at kredibilidad ng mga credential ng bawat user, protektado pa ito at ang personal na impormasyon. Mga kababayan, asahan ninyo na kami sa pamahalaan ay hindi titigil sa trabaho upang tulungan na kayo ay guminhawa ang inyong mga buhay. Patuloy naming sisiguruhin na may sapat na pondo ang edukasyon. Palalakasin din namin ang pagsulong ng skills development ng bawat mamamayang Pilipino. Kaya sa ating mga kabataan, TESDA Scholar, at sa lahat ng gustong matuto ng mga panibagong mga skills, inaanyayahan ko kayo subukan at gamitin ang TESDA Skills Passport mobile app. Naway magsilbing itong tulay para sa mas masagana at mas maginhawang bukas. Sabay-sabay po tayong kumilos para sa bagong Pilipinas kung saan bawat Pilipino ay may kaalaman, may kakayahan at may kabuhayan. Maraming salamat, mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. And now, may we request the President to kindly grant us a group photo downstage. Likewise, we would like to request all our guests to gather at the center and join the President in a group photo. Ready? At the count of 3, give us your best smile. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Mr. President, for granting us a photo opportunity. And that concludes our program. Thank you, Mr. President, for gracing the launching of the TESDA Skills Passport mobile application. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.